Subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from PWIP. Export knowledge be, trade be. Hi, I'm here to today talk about carriage insurance. Well, so I'm not talking about credit insurance. So this is very particular to movement of cargo. Whatever risks that we might come across, ये रिस्क को कवर करने के लिए कैरेज रिस्क होता है. अभी कभी कभी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, ये जो इंश्योरेंस है, फॉर एग्जांपल बहुत लोग मैराइन इंश्योरेंस बोलते हैं. What does that mean? Does it mean that this insurance is covered only for marine transit, only when it is on ship? What about the insurance from, say, a factory to a port, right? So that has to be covered as well. What about when the cargo is in the port getting processed for unloading into the containers? तभी कुछ हो गया तो. Recently, there was Chennai floods, 2 weeks back. And at PWIP, we saw that about 15 of our containers were drowned in the floods and we lost a lot of money. How did we cover this? What do we cover and what do we do? So which means the risk is once your cargo leaves from your factory, it could meet with an accident, there could be a fire, there could be, once it is unloaded, when it reaches there, you might see that a lot of cargo is wet and damaged because there was water seepage into the truck and there was rain during transit. Or you loaded and the warehouse at the CFS caught fire and your cargo was destroyed. What about that? Your cargo was in transit from the CFS to the port and the truck were met with an accident. What happens to your cargo then? And the cargo gets stolen. What happens then? So a lot of factors like this have to be assessed, and accordingly an insurance discussion has to be initiated with your insurance vendor. I mean, we all know insurance companies, Tata AIG, ICICI, Lombard, and a lot of them provide marine insurance. But कौन सा choose करना चाहिए? Because a lot of people ignore this insurance and one day cargo gets lost in transit. Now there are a lot of open-ended questions when you meet with the situation. Who is going to get the claim? Are you going to get the claim? Is the buyer going to get the claim? Whose bank account? How much percentage? How much time do you need to get a claim? All these things come into the picture. This is why PWIP has been trying to give out as much knowledge as possible to help all of our community benefit from these kind of information for their journey towards export. And I will come with videos for insurance separately in very detail. Until then, thank you so much for watching me. I'm going to talk about all these questions. I have left a lot of open-ended questions to you for this topic of insurance. Why don't you guys also do some research, and then I will come up with a very detailed video. Hope you like the content that we make and the work that we do, my friends. It has been a very amazing opportunity for us to serve you. Thank you so much.